To fix Mint Mobile international roaming not working, follow these steps. First, ensure your phone is compatible with international roaming and that you have a Mint Mobile plan. That includes international coverage. Check your phone settings to confirm that data roaming is enabled. Next, verify that your phone has the correct APN settings. The Mint Mobile APN settings should be set to wholesale or ultra. If you are unsure of how to do this, you can contact Mint Mobile customer support for assistance. Another common issue is that your phone is not using the correct network frequency. Make sure your phone is set to automatically select the network frequency or manually select the correct frequency for the country you are in. If you are still having trouble, try restarting your phone or removing and reinserting your SIM card. This can often resolve connectivity issues. Additionally, check the Mint Mobile website for any outages or maintenance in the area you are in. This can cause international roaming to not work and is usually resolved once the outage is fixed. Finally, contact Mint Mobile customer support if none of the above steps resolve the issue. They can assist you with troubleshooting or provide additional information on international roaming in your area. It is also important to note that international roaming rates and coverage can vary depending on the country you are in. Be sure to check the Mint Mobile website for the most up-to-date information on international roaming rates and coverage. By following these steps, you should be able to fix Mint Mobile international roaming not working and stay connected while traveling abroad.